Good day and welcome to another episode of your Money Moment. I'm your host Mauritz Oberholzer, and today we will talk about something that I hear a lot about. This is not encouraged, but a lot of people I see and talk to have personal loans, so I thought I might discuss the types of personal loans and then how they work, and then also we can maybe look at next week talking about some different type of loans and how they work and the options around it. So again, not encouraging taking personal loans. I actually do not like debt, but sometimes you have no other options and that is the only way to do it, and then obviously you will do it, so you must just know what you're in for. So today I'm just going to talk about type of loans and the back ends on how it works. Next week I'll go into more detail about each individual type of loan. So the first loan that you can get is a secured loan. These loans require collateral, such as a property or vehicle. Those are the guys advertising next to the road saying you can still drive your car but have a personal loan. Secured loans sometimes come with a lower interest rate, but they can be risky if you are unable to make your payments. The second one is unsecured loans. So unlike secured loans, unsecured loans don't require any collateral. Those are usually the ones you get from the bank. This makes them more accessible to borrowers with limited assets. However, you must take into account unsecured loans typically have higher interest rates to compensate for that increased risk. So the banks will ask a higher interest rate. Then the third type is the debt consolidation loans. This type of loan is specifically designed to combine multiple debts into a single larger loan. By consolidating your debts, you may be able to lower your monthly payments and reduce the overall interest you pay. So I want to talk about the key considerations before taking a loan. So the first one is interest rates. That's pretty obvious, but interest rates can vary significantly between the lenders. So compare offers from multiple banks and financial institutions to find the best deal. The second thing to consider is the repayment terms. The length of your repayment term will affect your monthly payments and the total amount of interest you'll pay. Choose a repayment term that fits your budget and your financial goals. Number 3, the fees and charges. Be aware of any fees associated with the loan, such as application fees, originating fees, and prepayment penalties. These fees can add to the overall cost of the loan. Then also know your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the eligibility for a loan and the interest rate you'll be offered. A higher credit score can lead to a better term and lower interest rates. And number 5, your financial situation. Before taking on a loan, assess your overall financial situation. Consider your income, your expenses, and existing debt obligations. Make sure you can comfortably afford the monthly payments without straining your budget. I also want to discuss some tips for responsible borrowing. So if you decide to take out a personal loan, here are some tips for responsible borrowing. Firstly, create a budget. Develop a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. This will help you determine how much you can afford to repay each month. Secondly, avoid overborrowing. Only borrow the amount you need. Avoid taking on more debt than you can comfortably handle. Number 3, make timely payments. Always make your loan payments on time to avoid late fees and damage to your credit score. So in conclusion, personal loans can really be a valuable financial tool when it's used wisely and when you don't have any other option. By understanding the different types of loans available and carefully considering the factors discussed today, you can make an informed decision and choose the loan that best suits your needs. Remember, borrowing responsibly is key to achieving financial success. Thanks for listening to your Money Moment. For more financial advice and tips, visit my website at mauritzoberholzer.co.za.
When you're navigating through life's big events, like buying a home, starting a family, or approaching retirement, you need sound and impartial financial advice. Mauritz Oberholzer, a financial advisor at Stonehouse Capital, specializes in personal financial planning. Visit mauritzoberholzer.co.za or call 082 774 1996. For practical and easy to understand advice and tips, don't miss your Money Moment with Mauritz Oberholzer, Thursday mornings at 10 on E-Radio.